Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. My name is Coach Shane. Thanks for joining me. You know, I realized something. I did podcast 1165 and 1166, but I never did podcast 1164. I forgot one, so I'm going back in time. This is podcast number 1164. I love this expression. It's very common. It simply is sound too hot, but there's more to it. We're going to start with a dialogue. Check out the dialogue.
I'm going to the Big Apple for vacay.
New York doesn't sound too hot.
Are you kidding? Gotham City, the city that never sleeps.
Well, it smells like pee. It's not that clean. I'll take the countryside. The Big Apple, New York City. Have you been there? I've been there. I like New York City, actually. I'm not a big fan of big cities. But New York City, there's some charm to it. I think compared to some other cities in America, you know, New York City can be dangerous, but basically it's not that bad. It really isn't. And especially in the daytime. I don't go out at night, so that's not an issue for me. But yeah, New York City. But the dialogue is so true. Let's get into the dialogue. The first guy says, I'm going to the Big Apple. That means New York City. That's New York City's nickname, the Big Apple, for vacay. Now, we studied vacay. Vacay means vacation, right? V-A-C-A-Y, vacation. Oh, nice. But the other guy says, New York doesn't sound too hot. Now, this is not about the weather. It's not about the temperature. If something doesn't sound too hot, it doesn't sound that good. Ooh, that sounds hot. That sounds good. Yeah, we do have that expression, but that's an expression kind of more for the ladies, not so much for the guys, okay? And it's kind of trendy. I don't think people say it too much. But if something doesn't sound too hot is very common for guys and girls, no problem. It doesn't sound that good. New York doesn't sound too hot. It doesn't sound that good. That new movie doesn't sound too hot. Oh, that new song doesn't sound too hot. It doesn't sound that good. That's what the guy is saying. The other guy argues, are you kidding? Gotham City. That's another nickname for New York. The Big Apple, New York City, Gotham City, Gotham, Gotham City, Batman's town. And he says again, the city that never sleeps. That's right. That's what we say about New York City, the city that never sleeps. But then the other guy says, well, it smells like pee. P-E-E. Urine. U-R-I-N-E. In Korean, the word is ojum. In Chinese, xiaobian. I don't know how to say it in other languages. Teach me. But it's true. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's true. If you go to New York City in the summertime, like right now, especially Manhattan area of New York City, it smells like pee. It really does. Like somebody peed close to you. I'm sorry. It does. So the guy says, it smells like pee. It's not that clean. I'll take the countryside. In other words, I like the countryside. Give me the country. Fresh air. No pee. But the problem with the countryside, like for me, I live in Vermont, and it's kind of a farming area, and it does not smell like pee. However, it can smell like poo, cow poo. So which one do you prefer? If you had to smell one or the other, would you rather smell pee or would you rather smell poo? Me, I'll smell poo because it's cow poo. It's not human poo. I don't want to smell human poo. But the pee, it smells like human pee. I don't want to smell human pee. But that's not important. The expression is important. Something doesn't sound too hot. We're not talking about the weather. It doesn't sound that good. It doesn't sound that interesting. Yeah, I don't want to go. That movie, the new movie with the actor, it doesn't sound too hot. I don't want to go. I'm not interested. It's a great expression, and we use it a lot. So I want you to try and use it too. Hey, if you like this podcast, please tell your friends. Please share the podcast. I make these podcasts for you so that you can have fun learning English, and I do my best. So if you would share the podcast, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're on Spotify, it's easy for me to see comments. So leave a comment, say hi, and I'll say hi back to you. All right, that's today's expression number 1164. I'm 2 podcasts late. Sound too hot? Remember, doesn't sound too hot. Great expression. Check it out 2 more times. And together, let's master English.
I'm going to the Big Apple for vacay.
New York doesn't sound too hot.
Are you kidding? Gotham City, the city that never sleeps.
Well, it smells like pee. It's not that clean. I'll take the countryside.
I'm going to the Big Apple for vacay.
New York doesn't sound too hot.
Are you kidding? Gotham City, the city that never sleeps.
Well, it smells like pee. It's not that clean. I'll take the countryside.